We are now heading to our second game here in the women's division in the Western Conference of the Governors Cup Intertown Volleyball Tournament 2026. For our second game, matutunghayan natin ang battle between Labrador having 2-2 standing versus Agno having 0-5 standing. Mula sa last game ng Team Labrador, nakuha nila ang panalo. And in this game, makikita natin kung makakakuha nga pa ng another win ang Municipality of Labrador. Habang ang Team Agno naman, natalo sila sa kanilang last game. Pero kahit gano'n, nakita natin ang teamwork and ang kanilang all-out effort sa kanilang last game kahit na 6 lang sila. And right now, 8 players ang maglalaro for today, kaya abangan natin volleyball fans kung paano nga ba matatapos ang ating second game for today. Kaya volleyball fans, just keep watching here in our page because our second game in the women's division is about to start. This is Samantha de Guzman, your courtside reporter. Back to Miss Victoria and Mr. Joseph.
Welcome back, volleyball fans. Good morning once again to everyone watching us live here at the Alaminos City Sports Complex, and to all our viewers across Pangasinan and beyond. You're still watching the Governors Cup Intertown Volleyball Tournament 2026 Western Conference, where every game showcases the passion, determination, and heart of our local athletes.
Before we begin this exciting matchup, we would like to once again express our deepest gratitude to our beloved Governor Ramon Monmonvigico III, whose vision continues to elevate sports development throughout Pangasinan. Our women's division encounter features Team Labrador taking on Team Agno. Labrador comes into today's game with confidence after an impressive victory in their previous outing. Spearheading that win was Charmaine Ocado, who was named player of the game after an outstanding 13-point performance.
Meanwhile, Team Agno entered today's contest eager to bounce back after suffering a setback in their previous game. Despite the loss, Agno has demonstrated resilience throughout this tournament, and there's no doubt they'll bring renewed energy and determination as they seek to return to the winning column.
Momentum versus motivation, two factors that always make volleyball exciting. Expect both teams to battle for every rally and every point in what promises to be another entertaining matchup. I am Maria Victoria Ferrer together with my partner
Joseph Soriano.
and we're delighted to bring you all the action. Stay with us as we continue another exciting day of volleyball. First serve, jersey number 9. Back set, Espejo. Ocado. to Tolentino. De La Cruz. Palisok from the pipe.
Espejo sa gitna. Baracchio. De Guzman to Tolentino. De La Cruz. And that will be first point for Team Labrador.
Good reception. Sinet sa open, but another point for Team Labrador.
De La Cruz, good serve. De Guzman ginawa ng paraan, free ball para sa Team Labrador.
And another point for Team Labrador.
De La Cruz still serving.
Received by Tolentino. Back set kay Espejo. And first point for Team Agno.
Espejo now serving. Received by Baracchio. De La Cruz back sets to Ramos.
What a cross-court hit attack there by jersey number 6.
Ramos. Now she's on the service zone for Team Labrador.
Coladilia too wide for jersey number 1.
For serving one, still serving jersey number 6. Coladillo para sa free ball. De La Cruz to Ocado, ginawa ng paraan, but still a point for Team Labrador.
Early timeout.
For Team Agno.
Habang nasa timeout tayo, partner, banggitin muna natin yung ilan sa mga legacy programs ng ating mahal na gobernador na si Ramon Monmon Vigico III. Dito tayo tungkol sa infrastructure kung development naman ng pag-uusapan. Tuloy-tuloy ang pagbabago sa Capitol Complex.
Kasalukuyan itinatayo ang 11-story Pangasinan Government Tower na magsisilbing tahanan ng iba't ibang provincial at national government offices.
Ipagpapatuloy po natin yan maya-maya lamang, pero sa ngayon balik po muna tayo dito sa ating laro, Labrador versus Agno.
Ramos commits a service error after that timeout. Tolentino now serving. Palisok gets that first ball to Aquino. And that is not over.
Ang live coverage po natin dito po sa Western Conference ay dito po sa Rev Up TV, at sa Central naman po ay sa Facebook page na Para sa Pangasinan. Sa Eastern Conference naman po ay sa page po ni Ramon Vigico III Intertown Volleyball Tournament. Ayun po.
After that service ace, Tolentino also commits a service error. Now Okado serving. Telio for the first ball. Free ball binigay ni Coladilla. De La Cruz sinabol ang bola para kay Palisok, but that will sail out. Calizar. De La Cruz sinangat ang bola. Aquino para sa free ball. De Guzman to Telio, and that will be a point for Team Agno. Six serving 7. Calizar.
Outside. 2-point lead. Serving.
Baracchio.
He's received free ball for Team Labrador. De La Cruz will set it to the open. And a point for the captain.
Baracchio.
Itinaas. Free ball for Team Swal. Labrador rather, sorry. Point for Team Agno. Official score 9-7.
Coladilla. Palisok gagawa ng paraan, and that will be a point for Team Labrador. Now on the service zone, jersey number 2, Aquino. De La Cruz to Palisok, andun si Calizar. Free ball para sa Team Labrador. De La Cruz hinabol ang bola. Ramos, pinalo. De Guzman, off-speed attack para kay Telio. That will work for Team Agno.
Now at the service zone, jersey number 8, Telio. Too much muscle on that serve.
Team captain serving. Palisok.
And the service ace for Palisok.
Palisok. Espejo. Telio on the pipe. De La Cruz underhand set to Okado. And that will be a 5-point lead for Team Labrador, courtesy of jersey number 3, Okado. Palisok still serving. De Guzman to Tolentino.
Error there for jersey number 17.
Palisok And another service ace for jersey number 15.
And Agno will call their last timeout for this set. Tuloy natin yung kanina no, tungkol sa infrastructure. Kasabay rin ito ang construction ng Pangasinan Convention Center, ang reflective pool at dancing fountain, pati ang pagpapaganda ng Pangasinan Tourist Area.
Layunin nitong mas makita ang Pangasinan bilang Conference Capital of the North at Tourism Capital of the North. At alam mo ba partner, dahil dito tunay nating masasabi ang tagline ay pinagmamalaki ng ating lalawigan.
Pangasinan, ang galing.
De Guzman want to play. Point for Team Agno.
Six-point lead.
De Guzman serving.
And a service ace for jersey number 3.
De Guzman. Palisok is there. Ramos sa gitna.
Net violation called on Espejo.
Serving jersey number 9. De La Cruz.
Drop ball works for Espejo.
Espejo. De La Cruz. Sa gitna para kay Ocado.
Free ball. De La Cruz hinabol. Free ball din para sa Team Agno. And attack error for jersey number 5. Substitution. 5 out, 2 in.
Ramos. Nepal for the first ball. Barawod for the free ball. Ocado off speed attack. Nasundot ni Coladilla. Baracchio. Ginawa ng paraan kaso hindi may tatawid ang bola. Tolentino serving. De La Cruz sa gitna para kay Ocado, and a powerful spike coming from jersey number 3.
Six-point lead. Sharp serve. And an ace for jersey number 3.
Ocado. De Guzman. Totelio. Palisok. Ocado on the back row. De Guzman. Telio ginawa ng paraan.
Miss-hit. Palisok. Andun din si Telio. Telio sa zone 1. Andun si Ocado. Masyadong dikit sa net. And a point for Team Agno. Received by Ocado. Free ball for Team Agno. De Guzman will set it to Coladilla. Free ball. Libero is set para kay Telio, but a free ball again. De La Cruz back set to Baracchio. Ginawa na paraan. Set kay Telio. Dog. And
Great rally for the both team. Great defense also. Substitution for Team Labrador. Baracchio out. Jersey number 14 in. De La Cruz out. Castro in. De Guzman to Telio. Block, but it will go through the blocks of Castro.
serving jersey number 1, Coladilla, but straight to the net. 21-14, 7-point lead here by Team Labrador.
Substitution. Ballesteros in. Ramos out.
Unti-unti nang pinapasok coach ng Team Labrador ang kanyang second stringers. De Guzman to Telio. Ocado will set it to Castro, pero error for jersey number 8, Castro.
Serving jersey number 8, team captain Telio. Ocado for the first receive. De Guzman. Gitna sa Espejo. Marayag. Palisok. Attack error. 5-point lead. Still for Team Labrador. Telio still serving.
Ocado. Palisok. Outside for jersey number 15.
Another point for Team Agno. Telio. Marayag to Ballesteros. De Guzman. Tolentino ginawa ng paraan. Ocado. Palisok.
Palisok is having a hard time converting it into a point. And Team Labrador will call for time. So habang nasa timeout tayo, partner, ituloy natin. Kanina infrastructure, ngayon employment naman. Isa rin sa mga prioridad ng provincial government ang pagbibigay ng mas maraming oportunidad sa trabaho.
Sa pamamagitan ng Provincial Employment and Services Office, regular ang local recruitment activities at job fairs para sa ating mga kababayan.
Itutuloy po natin itong tungkol sa employment maya-maya lamang po. Pero balik po muna tayo dito sa ating laro. Team Labrador versus Team Agno.
Jersey number 8 serving. Telio. Magat was there. Marayag. Palisok for the free ball.
Good side out there.
Hindi gumagana ang aking spike. Para sa free ball na lang.
But it's still good.
Tama.
Point is a point. 22 serving, 18.
Palisok.
Itinaas, free ball for Team Labrador. Marayag si set sa middle, blocked, and point for Team Agno.
De Guzman. Palisok is there. Marayag. Okado ginawa ng paraan. De Guzman gets that first ball. Tolentino. Okado to Castro. And that point will go to jersey number 8, Castro.
And she will serve, but papalitan siya. Serving jersey number 9, De La Cruz. Good reception. De Guzman will set it to Barawud. And point for jersey number 2.
Espejo now serving. Okado sa gitna. We are having a discussion here kung inside ba or outside. That is a point for Team Labrador. Serving for the set, jersey number 5, Ballesteros.
Service error committed by Ballesteros. 24-21. Tatlo ang hahabulin dito ng Team Agno. Good serve. De La Cruz isiset para kay Okado. And she ends the set. You are still watching the Governor's Cup Intertown Volleyball Tournament 2026 Western Conference live here at the Alaminos City Sports Complex. Second set na po tayo ng ating laro, Labrador versus Agno. De Guzman isiset para kay Telio. To Ocado, and first point for Team Labrador this second set.
Serving jersey number 14, Marayag. Telio for the first ball. Coladilla, free ball. Marayag. Sa gitna para kay Ramos.
Drop. And a point for Ramos. 2-0.
Marayag serving. Nakuha ni Espejo. De Guzman. Free ball binigay ni Telio. Marayag. Tocado. Andun si De Guzman. Espejo. To Telio. That won't work. Marayag. To Tocado. Straight to the net. Point for Team Agno.
Serving jersey number 3, De Guzman. Sharp serve over ball. The si Coladilla, and we are now tied at 2.
Still serving jersey number 3, De Guzman. And that will be a service error. Serving jersey number 6, Ramos. Telio for the first ball. Telio sa gitna. Marayag, Tocado, andun si Libero. De Guzman kay Telio. Andun po si Ramos. Tocado, Dog. Calizar.
Aquino will set it to Ocado. And a point. Pinabawi kaagad si jersey number 3.
Ramos. Espejo, tinas para kay Calizar. Astro is there. Ocado, Aquino for the free ball. Coladilla gets the first.
Regalo for
Point
Aquino.
for Team Labrador.
Ramos. Service ace for jersey number 6.
Ramos still serving. De Guzman. Calizar. Baracchio. Attack error for jersey number 5.
And the timeout for Team Agno. Ituloy natin, partner, yung sinasabi natin kanina tungkol sa employment. Alam mo ba na meron ding free training, Jumpstart Your Entrepreneurial Journey, ang Provincial Employment and Services Office para sa mga aspiring entrepreneurs sa July 27, Lunes, simula alas 8 ng umaga hanggang alas 5 ng hapon.
Gaganapin ito sa Peso Multipurpose Hall, Capital Complex, Lingayen. Dahil dito, tunay nating masasabi ang tagline ni pinagmamalaki ng ating lalawigan. Pangasinan, ang galing. Ramos. Calizar misreceive. Espejo tinaas para kay Calizar. Marayag to Baracchio. Point for Team Labrador. Ramos still serving. De Guzman. Aquino is blocked, but it will still be a point for Team Labrador. 9 serving 2. 7-point lead for Team Labrador. De Guzman. Telio. Marayag to Ocado.
Eight-point lead here ng Labrador. Nasa second set na po tayo. Ang next game po natin ay Team Bugalion versus Team Anda. And ang live coverage po dito sa Western Conference ay dito po sa page ng Rev Up TV. Yung Central Conference naman po ay nasa page ng Para sa Pangasinan. At ang sa Eastern Conference po ay sa page na Ramon V. Gico III Intertown Volleyball Tournament. Mangyari lamang po na bisitahin ang mga page na yon kung
Baracchio. Attack error there.
okay.
Coladilla.
Short serve. Castro will set it to Aquino but gives a free ball. De Guzman isa-set para kay Telio. Andun si Castro. Pero hindi na naiangat ang bola. Still 7-point lead here.
Coladilla serving. Castro is there.
Serving jersey number 3, Ocado. De Guzman isa-set sa opposite. Ocado to Castro. And a point for jersey number 8, Castro.
Ocado.
Sharp serve and a service ace for Ocado.
10-point lead para sa Team Labrador, and Team Agno will burn their last time out.
Dito naman tayo, partner sa education and sports na hindi rin makakalimutan ng ating mga estudyante.
Sa pamamagitan ng Pangasinan Polytechnic College, halos 2,000 scholars na ang natulungan mula sa 2024 hanggang sa kasalukuyan.
May 4 na flagship degree programs ang PPC at nakaplanong magbukas pa ng branch sa Umingan kasabay ng pagtatayo ng Super Hospital kung saan target ding mag-offer ng allied medical courses. Itutuloy po natin yan mamaya. Pero balik po muna tayo dito sa ating laro. Nasa second set na po tayo ng ating Game 2. Labrador versus Agno. Nanalo kanina sa first set ang Team Labrador. Telio, Papaluen, but error for jersey number 8.
Still serving jersey number 3, Okado.
Floater. De Guzman. Error for Team Agno. .12 lead here. Another sharp serve. Free ball for Team Labrador. Isiset sa middle. May check ball ba? Let's wait for the call. And the point will be given to Team Agno. No check ball on that attack. Serving jersey number 8, Telio. Marayag, itataas, but free ball for Team Agno. Calizar. Okado. Isiset kay Castro. And a point for Team Labrador.
Substitution on Team Labrador. Baracchio out. De La Cruz in. Manzano in. Marayag out. De La Cruz serving. Misreceive once again. And that will be a point for Team Agno. Lucky point. A lucky break for Team Agno. Serving 17. De La Cruz to Manzano. Nepal is there. Espejo. Free ball para sa Team Agno. De Guzman.
I think basa yung bola kaya dumulas sa kamay ni De Guzman.
Aquino.
De Guzman back set to Espejo. And a point for jersey number 12.
Barawod now serving. Bravo. Barawod still serving. Okado for the first ball. De La Cruz hinabol ang bola. Bravo. And Team Labrador will get that point.
Effortless spike or attack there for Bravo. Substitution here for Team Agno. 17 in. And Acosta in. Okado out. Sharp serve to to Espejo. De la Cruz to Bravo. No, that's Acosta.
Serving jersey number 12. Espejo. Acosta. Point for Team Labrador. Net touch violation on Team Agno. 11-point lead for Team Labrador. 20 serving 9. Serving jersey number 7, Manawat. De la Cruz to Bravo. And the crowd goes wild because of that attack coming from jersey number 11, Bravo. Manawat.
That is outside.
De Guzman serving. Manzano for the first ball. Castro. Straight to the second referee. Point for Team Agno. 10-point lead for Team Labrador. 11 serving 21. De Guzman. Another point for Team Agno. De Guzman. Castro is there. Manzano itanasang bola. Tello for the first ball. Tello pumalo. Andun si Castro. De la Cruz. Acosta. And the crowd of Team Labrador loves that point. Bravo. Service error. Coladilla. De la Cruz. Aquino ginawa ng paraan. De Guzman. Barawod para sa free ball. De la Cruz to Aquino. Andun si De Guzman. Espejo para kay Tello. And 1-2 play. Espejo sa back row. And that is inside. Point for Team Agno. Coladilla. 1-2 play. De Guzman. Coladilla from the back. Acosta serving. De Guzman to Tolentino, drop ball shot. Free ball para sa Team Agno. Tello ginawa ng paraan. Nandun ang libero. Castro. Dog. Espejo from the back. De la Cruz to Castro. Off speed attack. De Guzman to Tello. and gets the point for Team Agno. 14 serving 23. Serving jersey number 8, Telio. And a service ace for jersey number 8. Telio still serving. Good serve. Acosta, De La Cruz para sa free ball. De Guzman to Espejo, drop ball. De La Cruz, Castro, De Guzman. That is a point for Team Labrador. Serving for the match, jersey number 9, De La Cruz. Tolentino serving. At dyan po nagtatapos ang laro ng Team Labrador versus Team Agno. 25-17. A 2-set win for Team Labrador. Congratulations para sa both teams.
May ngayon yan eh.
Here in the Women's Division of the Governors Cup Intertown Volleyball Tournament. Mula sa ating second game, nakita natin ang sipag and determination ng dalawang municipality for this second game. And in the end, it was Team Labrador who got the win. And still, congratulations for Team Agno for giving us a good game and for showing us na kahit walo lang sila, ay talagang nilaban nila hanggang sa second set. Right now, I am with the best player of the game from the municipality of Labrador. Player number 3, Charmaine Nocado, having 11 attacks and 1 ace. So congratulations for winning and for being the best player of the game. Since ikaw ulit yung best player of the game, how does it feel na ikaw ulit yung POG natin ngayon?
Masaya sa pakiramdam kasi syempre POG ulit at syempre kahit papaano may napapatunayan na din sa sarili.
At least, malaking bagay rin yon sa team mo and also para sa sarili mo na mas galingan pa sa mga susunod na game. So, after this game, ano pa yung aabangan namin sa team ninyo?
Hindi. Sa susunod na laro namin mas gagalingan pa namin.
Sa every game ninyo, sino ang nagiging inspirasyon mo?
Yung pamilya ko tapos yung mga basher ko syempre. Yung jowa ko, hindi yung wala pa nga.
So ito na, sino naman gusto mong pasalamatan or shoutout?
Wait lang. Yung sinashoutout ko po yung magulang ko, yung mama ko. Wait lang, girls. Yung pamangkin ko si Amari, tapos si Heaven, si Peanut, tapos yung jowa ko si Aya. Wala ka nang pakinig. Tapos yung mga Labradorians na nanonood. Si Nana Siseng, andun po. Yung mga teammates ko din. At si Mayor po pala, tapos si Vice Mayor, Thank you po sa 1K.
Shoutout sa pamilya ko. Shoutout kay mama ko yun, oh. Shoutout din kay mama ko.
Shoutout po kay tita ko, sana pakainin niya ako mamaya.
Shoutout sa mama, tito ko, pati yung papa ko nandito.
Shoutout kay mama ko, nasa Taiwan.
Shoutout kay mama ko, nasa bahay.
This is Dirt and it's our second game here in the Women's Division Volleyball Fans. Just keep watching here in our page dahil meron pa tayong 3 games in the Women's Division. Again, this is Samantha De Guzman, your courtside reporter. Pangasinan, ang galing.